Saving your money and accumulating a lot of it sure is better than spending them all. However, what's better than saving is investing your money to make more money. If you look at graphs online regarding saving versus investing, you will see a huge difference. Saving results in a linear increase while investing results in an exponential one. Although there will be downtrends and uptrends when investing, the growth of money is still much higher than just saving. Therefore, if you're looking for investments that can make you rich, then you're in the right video because here you will learn 5 ways to make your money generate more wealth. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, especially if you like this type of content. Note that the ideas and suggestions presented in the video are for informational purposes only. And if you are planning to invest or start up a business, please consult a certified expert first. Welcome to EM3 Financial Freedom Strategies, where you learn how to manage your time and money to achieve financial freedom. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Invest your money to create passive income sources. One of the best ways to earn money is making gains without much effort. This means you're saving a lot of time while earning a considerable amount of cash. Therefore, if you use your money to set up lots of passive income sources, then other than making returns, you will also profit on the way. There are lots of passive income ideas such as selling digital art, making YouTube videos, building subscription services, and selling online courses. Every time people avail of your product or service, the more you earn money. Moreover, these types of services or products won't expire. Instead of scrapping them once used, you can also opt to add more content and improve upon your already made work. Although there are some good sides, there are also some bad sides. As always, when you make something online, there's a risk that it can get pirated. Without proper security regarding such issues, you might lose your income because people just prefer to consume the product for free. One way you can do to solve this problem, on the other hand, is to adopt a freemium model so that people are less inclined to pirate your work. Number 2. Invest your money in yourself. Investing your money to learn skills and to improve upon them are amazing ways to use your money. You won't just build your value, but also meet many relevant people while you're learning. Rather than being lost regarding when and how to start, you can ask your instructors and other successful colleagues for suggestions. Additionally, if you keep investing yourself, you become your product. You're basically telling the company you're applying to that you're a walking high-value person. Therefore, you're more likely to get promoted or receive high salaries when applying for a job. Other than being a high-value employee, you can also use your skills to create your own business. However, problems can also rise when you decide to invest in yourself. One of them is applying to a bad workshop. Lots of people sink money to learn, but in the end, realize that the money they used is not proportional to what they learned. Worse, the people there might also be unhelpful. They only prefer to make themselves rich. Thus, they keep information away from you. These scenarios are very discouraging, especially if it's your first time trying to learn something. So, what could be done about this? First of all, always identify if the skill you're trying to learn is actually available for free on the internet. If you can find learning materials online for free and learn from them, then you're already accumulating value free of charge. Secondly, if you're really looking to attend a paid learning service, always do some background checks on the business and the instructors. Make sure they're qualified and approachable. Lastly, always look for the reviews made by people. If someone close to you already availed of such a service, then the better, because they're less likely to lie about their experiences. Number 3. Invest your money to create a business. If you watched our previous videos, there are times we mentioned that if you want to be rich, you should look at problems and ways to solve them. Well, the solution comes in the form of a business. You can't just hope forever till you're old that your salary will be your key to financial freedom. Creating a business has lots of advantages for you. When you decide to create a business, you're gunning for large financial rewards for the long term. You won't have to wait till you're 60 just to retire and enjoy your life. You can retire as soon as you're in your 30s or even 20s if you do your business right. In other words, creating a business will help you enjoy the life you deserve. Additionally, you will also be able to take hold of your time and lifestyle. No more unpaid overtime, no more currying favor from the higher-ups for promotions, and other stuff you probably don't prefer doing if you're an employee. On the other hand, creating a business does pose some risks. There is a possibility that it will fail. Failure upon failure can eventually add up to discouragement. There are also lots of stressors to the point you might risk your health. You also have to sacrifice some valuable time meant for your loved ones just to keep pushing. However, these risks are worth facing, especially when you look at the rewards. The self-made millionaires and billionaires probably share the same dilemma, but look at them now. Number 4. Invest your money to improve your business. This comes hand in hand with number 3. If you successfully created your business, then congrats. You mustn't be too comfortable though. Just because you're earning now doesn't mean you gotta spend it on something that won't earn you money, such as luxurious products. One thing you can do is to keep improving your business. You reinvest to make your products better, to have more people know about your business, and to ensure that your business process is smooth and without hitches. If you keep reinvesting your money to improve your business, you will eventually be qualified enough to raise your price. Some people will complain about it, but if you do this well enough, chances are it won't even affect your business negatively while making more income out of it. Still, just like when you're creating your business, there is a risk that your reinvested money won't return. That is why you don't use 100% of your profits for your business, and also why you should opt to have multiple income sources. If you're unsure about this part, you can seek advice from qualified experts who can help you determine the right path. Number 5. Invest in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Another way to make your money generate more wealth is by investing in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Stocks are ownership shares from businesses. Bonds are loans the business or the government made, and mutual funds are the pool you and the other investors can join to purchase bonds, stocks, and other investments. If you choose to invest in stocks, when the business you invested in grows, then the more you will earn. This requires you to do your research first because you might invest in the wrong enterprise, resulting in losses. If you want a less risky option, you can try investing in bonds. However, the gains won't be as high as stocks. Making your money generate wealth poses a lot of risks, but if you're able to push through these risks and wisely invest, then you will be rewarded greatly. If you're planning to invest your money, we at EM3 wish you good luck. Are there other investment ideas that others should know? You're always welcome to comment below. If you liked your content, then please check out our other videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.